registered one crime at Vasco police station, wherein some culprits have committed theft from one shed at Dabolim, which belongs to one company, and they have committed some theft of some antique materials worth about 3 lakhs. So in this regard, we had registered crime under section 384, 57, 454 IPC, and our investigation was in progress. So during the investigation, our staff was on patrolling, including my officer and LIB staff. So when they reached at Chikalin Joggers Park, they found 3 persons were moving suspiciously in the area. So they stopped them and questioned. So they didn't give any satisfactory answers about regarding their presence at a particular place. Further, they were taken into custody and brought at the police station in connection to interrogate in the Vasco PS crime. So during the interrogation, they didn't disclose about regarding our crime, but they disclosed about one more crime which took place at Sada in PWD quarters, and they informed that they have committed theft in PWD quarters and stolen some water supply fittings from that storeroom. So further, we took them. Further, they informed that they have kept the said items, material, stolen material, that's one of the scrapyard at Villa. So we took them and we proceeded to the scrapyard and we raided the scrapyard. So where we found all the materials which were stolen by them from the PWD quarters. So and we managed to recover the said items under our Panchanama, and we arrested all the 3 persons under section 41 CRPC. So the items stolen were about mechanical compression collars, couplings, double socket, flange T, and CID joints, all worth rupees 2,85,000. Sorry, 12,85,000. So name of the accused are Nagu Bolar, age about 50 years. Second accused is Onba Rathod, age about 40 years, and third is Apanna Rathod, age about 40 years. This scrapyard was belongs to one Nagu Bolar, where we recovered this item. So presently we have arrested these persons and kept in custody. So in the meantime, we confirmed the fact from the assistant engineer PWD, and we found that so and so things were stolen from the PWD quarters. So in the meantime, they told us that they had already given the complaint at Marmugao police station, since the area is coming in Marmugao jurisdiction, and Marmugao police station has also registered the crime in this regard. So further now we will hand over these culprits, accused persons along with the property to Marmugao police station for further investigation.
मटेरियल जाय पडलें आमचें कितें आसता की आमकां जेन्ना कितें ब्रेकडावन जाता तेन्ना आमी मटेरियल स्टोर करून दवरतात. हे सड्या स्टोर आसा आमचो. सो मागीर आमकां तें सामान हाडपाक आमचो मनशाक धाडलो. पळयत जाल्यार थंय शटर फोडलेलें आसा. अशें कळ्ळें की थंयचें आमचें सामान मातशें गायब जालां. आनी आतां तें पळयत जाल्यार हें सगळें सामान आमचेंच थंयच्यान त्या स्टोरान आशिल्लें. पयलींचें आमचें कितें आमकां हें करपाक जाय पडटा पळय, ब्रेकडावन पायपलायन रिपेर करपाक जाय पडटा पळय, तें मेळ्ळें. आनी सोमतेच इमिडियटली आमी ती कंप्लेंट केली की अशें अशें जालां मुरगांव पुलीस स्टेशनार. सो तेजे नंतर खबर आसा रिजल्ट मेळ्ळो. तुमचें नांव काडलो. म्हाजें नांव यशवंत नायक. हांव टी वास्को वॉटर सप्लाय डिपार्टमेंट.
केन्ना घडली सर
चोरी म्हाका दिसता आमकां कळ्ळां की 24 तारखेर जेन्ना आमकां सामान हाडपाक गेल्ले पळय आमी, तेन्ना की अशें अशें जालां. म्हणून 1-2 दीस पयलीं चोरी जाल्लें आसूं शकता.